Each of us is now electronically connected to the globe, and yet we feel utterly alone. So over here, I am welcoming Dr. Alok Prakash Mittal, Professor, Netaji Subhash University and Technology, New Delhi. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Namaskar. I'm also holding the charge of Netaji Subhash University of Technology West Campus as director, as its director.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. So the Center of Electronics and Telecommunication Excellence, or CETE, is organizing the All India Article Writing Competition, and CETE serves the worldwide academic communities and contributes to the progress and application of science by delivering superior scientific information solution providers that enable advancement in scientific research. So my first question is, as an advisory board member, what will you say about these kinds of activities important for the electronics and telecommunication fraternity?
Yeah, as all of us know that technology is developing very fast, and in communication media, a lot of development has taken place. A lot of new devices have come up for communicating in an effective way.
Yeah.
So this electronic medium which is coming up is giving us a much better opportunity to present ourselves in a better way, to communicate in much better way, and to understand the overall situation in a better conditions.
Yeah, absolutely. So what is the importance of this competition?
Importance of
this competition?
Importance of this competition is because the thing everywhere development is there. The very fast development process is there. So competition always gives an opportunity to grow ourselves.
Yeah,
more the competitive words we are facing, more we grow ourselves, because we have to compete. Once we compete, the growth of our own personality takes place.
Yes, absolutely. So how can students, academicians, and professionals take the advantage of CETE?
Yeah. So as I told in beginning also, that since this because of this development process, we have to be with it. We have to understand all the processes so that we can take it more effectively. We can use it more effectively. For understanding the process is a very important for all of us. So for taking the latest developments, how we can use them for our betterment, as well as societal development and country's development, our overall involvement into it, we have to be 100% with it, into it, then only we can give maximum to the society.
Yeah. So what is the current requirement for the students and professionals to go forward in the electronics and telecommunication domain?
Yeah, in the electronics and telecommunication domain, because lot of new things are there. New technology is being developed for communication. New devices are available for communication, visually as well as in audio system, in a much effective way, in a much economical way, so that overall development of the society takes place, overall development of ourselves takes place, and overall development of the student. We can give maximum, or communication may be maximum to the students. It is nothing in between. Yes.
Absolutely, absolutely.
It is more effective communication.
Yeah, exactly.
Effective communication. Yes.
Exactly. So in terms of research, how research and research-based publications in the electronics and telecommunication domain can be improved using CETE like platforms?
Yeah, because the research is one platform where you have to be always open for the new developments, new technology, nothing, the new areas. So you should be open for everything. And there, this electronic media, which is very effective for us, very useful for us, maybe very effective for overall development of the society in much better research. So research is like more openness. Research orientation is more openness, because a researcher can't live in a closed environment. A researcher will always think, what can we do? Can I do next? So that is research. So this electronic media, of course, is very, very useful for research, for R&D, research and development.
Yeah. And the most important thing is that we are organizing this online article competition actually. So it will be very, very beneficial for, for this situation as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
that's the development is taking very fast only because we are all open to it. More research orientation is there, and because of that research orientation, development is taking place.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
This development is for our betterment. We are developing the systems for our betterment, for better, so that we can communicate effectively. So we can use the systems available to us effectively, more effectively, so that the society can be benefited, our country can be benefited.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your words. Thank you for your contribution. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your time as well. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thanks for giving me opportunity.
Yeah.
Wish you all the best. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.